Hello, hi. Please come in. Welcome to our home. So, we moved in here around 2 months back, and we've been living here for good 2 months now. And I think we started our journey of finding a home for ourselves 4 years back, and we were very skeptical about where to put in the money. So around that time, Gera came up with this project, World of Joy, and Gera already has a very trusted name in the market. Plus, we are a second generation Gera. Because our parents own a Gera home, so we had that trust and we had that relationship with Gera. So we decided to go ahead with Gera, and Gera has lived up to its promise and credibility because they delivered the project on time. And throughout the last 3 or 4 years, whenever we had any queries, any issues, the team was very supportive, and they always helped us with any answers on time. And I think even the key receiving ceremony was...
Yeah, that was different from what we have experienced otherwise, and it was great.
Yeah, it was really overwhelming and very emotional the way they had planned it, and I don't think I've experienced something like that before. So yeah, thank you, Gera, for making that moment so memorable for us.
Moving in and after moving in also has been great. The team is great, absolutely supportive in terms of fixing remaining issues or whatever it was, whatever was pointed out. Very responsive, very credible. So yeah.
Yeah, and I mean, we just love the project. The amenities are so great. It's a child-centric homes, but we both are into sports, and the kind of amenities we were getting here along with this row house setup, I don't think there was any other project in Kharadi which offered all that.
Setup was the clincher.
Yeah.
Very limited housing, very limited exclusivity of having your own row house or having your own land and setting up the house. So yeah, along with the trusted name and guarantee warranties of all kinds. So yeah, very happy with what we have faced till now.
Yeah, and like I said, it's been 2 months now, and it's just been an absolute pleasure and joy to be living here in this society. So thank you, Gera, so much for making our dream come true. Thank you.